To activate WhatsApp on your Heyo number, follow these steps. Open the Heyo app and tap on the WhatsApp icon. Tap on Continue to Facebook option. Log in to Facebook using your user ID and password. Tap on Continue, then tap on Get Started. Enter your business name here. Now enter your business email address. If you don't have a business email address, you can use your personal email address as well. Enter your business website URL or social media profile URL. Make sure that the business name you entered above matches the name on your website or social media page. Select your country as India and tap on Next. Select Create a Business WhatsApp account from the drop-down menu. Enter the name you want to use to send WhatsApp messages to your customers in the Business Account Name field. Tap on Next. Zoom out on the next screen and tap on the Continue button at the bottom. Once your information has been verified, tap on Finish. Tap on Open Heyo Phone button. Your WhatsApp API activation request has been sent to Meta. It may take 12 to 24 hours for your account to be approved. In the meantime, you can continue to use Heyo Phone app as usual or exit the app. Thank you.